Greater Zion is full of exciting trails and views. The Red Rock Cliffs of Greater Zion are well known, but you can also find pine trees and a cool breeze in addition to the sandstone cliffs. Pine Valley is located northwest of St. George in the Pine Valley Mountains in the heart of the Dixie National Forest. The Santa Clara River Trail in Pine Valley Recreation Area is a short walking and biking trail perfect for all ages and even your dog, as long as it's on a leash. The paved trail is also stroller and wheelchair accessible, but can get a bit tight at some points in the path if you have to pass others. This trail is beautiful all year round, but keep in mind, winter conditions may keep bikes off the path since snowplows do not clear the trails. However, between April and November, you can expect pleasant conditions, perfect for the 2.6-mile round-trip hike. If you are trying to escape the heat of St. George, Pine Valley is always a bit cooler because of their higher elevation. This trail follows the Santa Clara River, a 52-mile river that eventually connects with the Virgin River just south of St. George. The Virgin River is the same river that carves through Zion National Park. Many stop to fish or admire the body of water along the trail. Traveling to Pine Valley Recreation Area from St. George is easy. Start on Bluff Street and hop on SR 18 and head north. You can watch the scenery shift from Red Rock lowlands to Green Mountain elevations right before your eyes. Turn right onto Pine Valley Highway and left onto the town's main street and follow it until you arrive at the recreational area. At the entrance, expect to pay a small fee. The trailhead is just past the pay gate and the path slowly winds its way up to the Pine Valley Reservoir. There are several campgrounds adjacent to the trail and to the Pine Valley Reservoir, which are open for reservations from mid-May to late September. Prices vary and spots fill up fast, so check recreation.gov for more information on those. Walking the Santa Clara River Trail out and back is expected to take about an hour. You'll be walking over bridges and under shade, and can even stop at one of the benches for a break to view the scenery. As you traverse the scenic trail, be prepared for the possibility of encountering a variety of captivating wildlife such as deer, birds, and even domesticated cattle. The Santa Clara River Trail is truly beautiful. When visiting this trail, make sure to do your part in keeping it that way by picking up all your trash. Visit Pine Valley Recreation Area and experience what Greater Zion has to offer.